yourself. Stop what you're doing and let him go. Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you. Well, all your extra makeup on work. We all feel it too, we know you're hurt. I know some time will pass before you know what's real. I can't change the way you feel. But oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurts you again. How much longer will you stay? Don't drown in what's around you, let him go. Won't you find your new surroundings with the man who loves you so? The man I know will treat you like you're worth your weight in gold. Spend a life living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know when. That time will be the last he ever hurt you again. He'll do it again, again.
Had it been better, back again, my familiar stand. Nothing more than a thought to relate to. Tied it up for better or worse. Back to my ways, to the sanctuary. Nobody stays, but I'm removed by my situation, lacking concentration on what I mean. I say my intentions are what I believe in. Thoughts are my product of reasoning. My eyes are relaxed, but my head's got them leading the way. It's not often I've arranged things, and it's not like me to be clear. There's a bitterness inside me waking up. Lord, I take it in my grip, but that just sank me deeper. Now I know what they meant when they said nothing takes you out of a hole, out of your story. Leave your ambitions all in the front yard.
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you, but my attempts have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12th time around, wallowing in murk. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below, underneath the roof that grows. There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win or will I lose? Will I hold on to what no longer serves me, or will I heed the call that deserves me?